let's learn how to make ice cream. So first, we take a mold. This one is from IKEA. And then you could get some milk. And next, you can get your favorite fruit or any syrup that you want to make your ice cream flavor. Like that, I'm choosing this, and so let's start with step number 1. Take your container and then you can start opening it. Second, you could take your fruit, and if it's banana, take one and start peeling it. Put my dustbin here. And you could put it in the bowl like this. And after that, you could either hand mash it or use a blender. And after that, so I'm just gonna mash it quickly. So let's just make this one. Let's just make this one like a cream. If you want to make a cream, then I'll show you next what to do with this. So you take this. If you're hand washing it, you take this, add some milk, and then you can start mashing it like you press it hard, yeah. Then it'll become, or you could use the blender, as I said. Put it in the blender like this, and then you can add some sugar. I'll just get that out. Sugar. So you could add three teaspoons of sugar, and then you can blend. Better let an adult do it. You check if it's proper. There still are some banana pieces, so let's go. Plus, you don't want to get. Now let's check. Are the banana pieces still there? Maybe a little more. Okay, it's thick enough. But now let's put some little more milk. And Mama, why did you put milk?
Because there's more banana than the others.
Okay, now banana pieces? No, that's good. Now you can take the glass. Now, if you made it already in the glass bowl, then good. Or you could, or from this, then you could pour it inside of the glass bowl. Then you could add little. Then you could add like a little bit of ice pieces. Just get that right away. Now you take your ice pieces and then you can take a few from them. You're just gonna take like 3, 4. So then you can start putting it around it like that. And then you could or otherwise you could just put them all on the ice. Now you can keep it in your freezer. Now let's continue with our other ice cream. Now you can take a bowl. Glass bowl, yes. This is perfect, like my plate. And then you can put this queen. And then you pour it in that juicy bowl. And then you just clear the wave that thing around you. So I'm just gonna clear it. Give me 5 seconds, okay? So then I took this queen and then I'm gonna just add some milk. I'll quickly go get it. Wait, before that I just have to get a stool. Then you could add some milk. My most trusted milk company. Wow, you see the color change? And then when you find out the bottom is actually not completely color changed. It's like a milk one, but okay, I'll just keep this on the side. Okay, now get a spoon or a stirrer to stir it really quickly. As you can see now, it's actually becoming more darker. I know there's too much light, so I might see it like a little light. And then taste it. If it's too sweet, then you could add more milk. Okay, this tastes more better. Just come back in a bit. I'm here. Okay, by the way, you have to let this ice cream to cool down for like 2 to 3 hours. So then you can take your this thing and then you can Sure, Sheva. Jeez, I'm in a video. Okay, so you don't want anything spilling, so just be kind of careful, even if it spills. Take these kitchen tissues that are quite hard. Shh. Hey, wow. This is my little sister. Okay, so anyway, then you could just pour it directly into the bowl and make sure you don't take too much, okay? Because then the problem is when you put this thing, it normally goes up. Okay, so you put this, you put the what's that? The mixture, the ice cream thingy, whatever it's called. You just take that and then you put your top cup. Yummy. Eva, out. Cut it. So make sure you don't put too much.
Scolding me.
you're done that, again, you could put this. And just give me one moment. My hands are quite sticky. And then, exactly like that, you add again. Oopsies. I think we have to remake some more. Again, start with queen. Make sure you had enough queen, okay? We don't want it having less again, like last time. And then don't forget to keep your handy stirrer with you. Do not put it to wash just after you're done, just after you were done, because you might have needed it again, like how I did. It's perfect. So then let's go back to the mold and Eva! So then I'm just going to just keep this on for washing, because so the rest of it you could drink it or use it for anything if you want to make all of them the same flavor, but I'm just going to make it a different flavor altogether. Okay, I'm just going to wash my hands and clean the table because everything is red. Okay, second. Now, this might not be required unless you want to put your second mixture also with milk. So, I'm just going to keep that aside and I'm just going to directly pour it. But I need the other tool. How can I forget it? Oops. Da-da-da. I got it. So, let's open it. And let's start pouring. Be very careful when you do this, okay? You don't want to put too much or too less. So just be very careful. Okay, so this one. Just give me 1 second. I just answer the door. Okay. So now I have to add some more here. To this. This. So I want to just do the last one like a different flavor. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, then now you could just quickly go wash that tool. I'm just gonna quickly wash it and just put it over here, and I'll quickly get my last one. Let's see, which flavor did I want it? Oh yes, this one. just gonna put this link up. So damn, man, too much. Anyway. Here, I have to just lift this up and I'll quickly clean it. Just give me 1 second, okay? So I was done that. Now I'm just so worried about cleaning. So easily you could just take a tissue paper, reused. This is my sister. She's quite annoying. Okay, so now I'm just gonna quickly clean that up. And Eva, could you get me a tissue, plain tissue? Thank you. Ice cream. It's getting refrigerated, Eva. So now that's getting refrigerated. I'm just cleaning. Eva, don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's getting ready. Don't worry. I did you a favor. This is going to be ready soon. What's that? Okay. I'm just showing my sister's things. What is what? And she's asking about the ice cream. So, Eva, that was this thing, cream one, the one that we had, no? That I gave you. Eva, close. Eva, you not like it. I loved it. Close this. Yummy. I better just quickly sweep around this place. Oh. A sweep. Then I want them to see something. She likes clean. Sorry, better just clean up. This is not spring. She likes that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe.